To turn on or off camera watermark on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do, as you are in the camera application, you will have to press this arrow on the top of the screen, and right here you will see the watermark. So simply tap on this one, and here you can toggle on or off this watermark with this switches right here. And as you turn on the watermark, here you have two types of watermarks. You have the film frame, which looks like, oh, hold on, let me just quickly turn off the timer. And right now this watermark looks like this first one. And let me just show you the second one. So you go in there and select this regular one instead of film frame. Let me just show you. This one looks like this. It simply gives the text over the picture. So right here you can also, as you are in this watermark, you can also edit them. Right here on the top right corner of each of these watermarks, you can see that little pencil icon. You can tap on this one, and here there are options of the watermark. You can show the watermark switch, you can set up what contents to actually show on the watermark. You can see the time, device model, you can set up the watermark position either on top or on the bottom, and you can also set up the custom text on your watermark. So yeah, that is basically it. That's how to turn on or off the watermark on Redmi A5.